Good morning, everyone. I'm sorry I could not upload the video as promised yesterday. I had an issue with light, with electricity. My phone had low battery. However, this is it. Please follow as I do this. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm only going to use 2 slides, and I'll be talking about importation. My animation text maker is up, and so I'll just type. Learn how to import shoes and bags from China at the cheapest rate. Now with this, I clicked on the check button, and you have those 4 buttons. One to capture, the second is to upload pictures that is already on your device, and then the third is to play it and see how it looks like. And the play button allows you to also add the animations we are talking of, or the fourth one to delete what is there. Now we are going to upload. Now you can get pictures from anywhere, but I always recommend Unsplash. Reason is this: there is no registered name to pictures on Unsplash. There is no registered name, or there is no registered signature to pictures. 10,000s of people can be using just this picture. You can see these beautiful pictures of shoes. You can see this one. All of these pictures, you can use them and don't have any issue with copyright. However, if you go via Google, you will also see some. But if they have signatures, please do not use them, because that could bring an issue to your device. Oh, we can use this. Looks like second-hand shoe. I'm going to pick these 2 pictures, this and this. I already have them downloaded on my device, but this is how you download it. You can see the download button. You click on the drop down arrow, and you see you have 4 different sizes to pick them from. I chose the small size because I don't want my videos to be too heavy, so I've already downloaded them. So I'll go back. You can also search for bags. Let me show you how you go about that. From the search bar at the top here, you can search for bags. I've downloaded some bags myself before this video, and then you click on the search button. Unsplash is a pictorial based website or web app. There's a difference between website and web app though. And it can be very, very heavy. You can see these are bags. These are bags. I have some of these bags already downloaded on my device. So let's go back and use what we have. I've clicked on the second button. I'll pick this. Or should I? Okay, let me use this. Let me just use this. There's no need for too much of paparazzi for now, but please let there be paparazzi on your own. Let there be paparazzi on your own. Okay, we have this. Now you click on the play button. You click on the play button. Now on the play button, this is where you implement or you add all those animations, your text colors, how you want the text to display. So wait for it to load. Okay, you see this is the first one is daring. This is lines. I've seen so many people using these lines. But this is the problem I have with this. Not just this, but with people. People make designs based on their tastes. Your design should be based on the viewer's tastes. Before you begin any design, before you begin any graphics, check what your competitors or what others are doing that is actually working, and then try to copy it. In the world of IT, copy is allowed. Nobody stops you from not copying. You are allowed to copy. The only thing, just as I said, please don't copy content that are already registered. I design websites for people, and when I do design websites for people, I ask them, Please, which website would you like your website to look like? And if they don't have any idea, I also go and look for something that is related. Somebody is asking me to design something of estate. I go and check how other estates website looks like, and I copy it. That is, if I'm not bringing out a new design, I copy it. The only thing I do, I change colors, but I ask for content that are not on that website. It shouldn't be the same content. On Splash Pictures, you are allowed to pick them, because just as I said earlier, thousands of people can be using, because there is no registered signature on it. So this, if you tell me to use this, I'll ask myself, the background, does it work well? I don't think so. I'm going to use a focus. I think focus does the work well here. Aha. Good. This is okay. This is okay. This is okay. And now down here you have the text colors. How you want your text colors to be like. See, it has make it white. It gives it a bit of dark brown. I mean, black and white background. You can see the shoes. Let's pick this red and see. It's going to give me white text and red background. You see it? This is going to give me black text and green background. Kind of, should I call it lemon green or green? Is okay. Is okay. I think I'll go for the white. Let me go for this one. It has white text and dark background. Yeah, it's visible. Alright, this is good. Now you can see at the top of it you have 4 buttons, 4 colored buttons. The first one, WhatsApp, green. The second, Instagram, red. The third one is share, blue. And the last one is the fourth one is what do you call it, or yellow download. You click on the download, you save as video, and let that initialize and save. It doesn't take time. It doesn't take time. Now this process I am doing doesn't need an internet. It doesn't need internet. This process using the legend or the text animator doesn't need internet. It is when we are using InShot. You can run InShot without using internet, but when you want to use the music in the library, then you need to use internet. We'll get to that point. Just follow suit. Don't want this video to be too long, but I think okay, we are done. I'm done with that. You click on this home button that is just at the top, the left top of beside the WhatsApp button. You click on it so you can go back. You pick another one. Let me bags and shoes. Of various designs, colors for different classes of people. Why did I put this? I want to add this picture. No, this picture, I think this is good. Position it. Let me remove the bags. Okay, this is what I'll do. I'll remove the whole of this. I'll put it for as shoes. When I play. Okay, I think this is okay. I download, save as videos, initializing. I'm sorry, please, if you are not getting the audio very clear. Please just try and follow, even if you cannot hear, but just see how I do it. It's very easy. It's very easy. I'm done with that. I'll click on the home again. I want to add bags. You click on the check button. So we add pictures for bags. Okay, where do I have my bag pictures? Where do I have my bag pictures? This is good. Okay. I think this is both showing the shoes and the bag. This is okay. I think the cropping is good. Then you play. Okay. This is okay. Framed. Let me see how the frame looks like. Okay. I'm falling for the frame. Let me change. I don't want that yellow color there. Let me pick a red on a black. No, no, no. It's no. This is out of it, man. Okay, yeah. So I'll download this. Now I'm going to go to the last. How you do the last slide? I'll do the last slide. Join the master class for free for the first 100 people. And get free PDF ebook or free ebook. You click on the mark, we add. I'm gonna add a picture. This picture I've used it for a client's website. This one I've used this for a client's website. It looks more like a classroom or like an office where they're having presentation. You can check it, thejobmerchant.com. I use it for that client. Okay, and then we play. Let's see what this looks like. No. This would have been good, but those texts are too tiny. Point blank. No. Okay, let's just go with this. And I download it, I save. Let it build. rebuild the story.
Gabriel, please come outside.
So we just let it initialize. Now that is done, and let's just stop there, and let's go to our InShot. The InShot is opening. Now it has opened. You click on video and then new text. It's to load. So select the videos based on how you want them to display. How you want them to display. What do I mean? We had this as our first picture. We had this as our first picture. Now, by clicking this, I want this to display first. But if I should click this first, this will be the first to display. So I want this, followed by this, and then this. Then you put then you mark it. Good. Now we have it there. You can play it and see the review of it. See how it goes. Now you want to add music. Now you can see there are 3 buttons here: the record, the effect, and the track. Now we are going to use the track. Recording, that is if you want to add record. Now you notice it was here when we started, but I'm going to drag it to the beginning because I want whatever music I'm loading starts from here. So you click on music, on track rather. There are tons of it here. I'm just going to pick anything for the sake of the tutorial. And then I'll say this. You see, I need internet because I need it to load. I need it to load from its level. If you found the one, you should never give her up. You have to I think it's the way life changes when in love. Yeah, I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah, these days I don't pause it. It's downloading. When it's downloaded, it's going to bring an option for you to use. Please, I'm sorry if you are getting any disturbance around. You can't be in the house and don't have all this disturbance around. Sorry, please. You use. Now you can see it has run through even further than the end of the video. Further than the end of the video, because the music is that long. Now you just click on this mark button to check it. And then at the top here you can see save and the question mark. That's the up button. You click on save, then save. Let's pick a lesser. This is 6.1. We don't want a video to be too heavy because people will give excuses for not having data to watch it. So it initializes and then gives you an option for download when it finishes. And that is just it. It's converting your video. That's it. I hope you follow through. You've learned. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things. And please be creative. I will indulge everyone in this classroom. Madam Precious is doing well. Satunde is doing well. The madam from our Ghana is also doing well. I want every other person to be engaging. I want it to be more interactive. Yesterday, Madam Precious taught us yesterday. It was interesting. Just gave us a clue on how she did it. And that was just it. So please, thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned something.